Today I have a haul video for you. I went sourcing this morning and kind of had to stock up on certain things. I have a lot of stuff I'm going to share with you, brands and everything. There are two things that I found for the very first thing in the wild. I'm going to save those for the very last, even though I'm like super excited about it. Both of these things retail in the 200s. One of them's in 300s. So yeah, very excited. First time finding them in the wild. Stick around, you're gonna see what those are. So my name is Karen with the Thrifty Flamingo. I talk so much about Poshmark and reselling in general, so if you're interested in this content, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. Yeah, I haven't done a haul video in quite some time. I'm not exactly sure why. So let's get into it. First thing I'm gonna do is get the one hard goods thing out of the way because it's kind of fragile. Yeah, because now we can kind of put, you know, home goods in our Poshmark closet. So I got this for $1. It is a framed Amy Brown fairy. This is like Contemplation. Yes, Contemplation. They're mass produced, like, but it's very pretty. I got it for $1. I could probably definitely like get like 15 or 20 bucks for this. There are a whole subculture on fairy lovers out there. If you like this, let me know. Now, let's do a top. This top was, oh yeah. So per piece, I paid $6.31. There's a few things that like I paid slightly more for that raised that, but with everything I got and the brands that I got, $6.31, really, I'm kind of happy with that. This is a Zara top. I almost put it back because I was like, that's crazy. Because this is the front of the top and the back of the top is completely open except for this clasp. Yeah, and it's a Zara collection, WMB, but it's kind of very abstract and somebody's gonna like it. Boom, if you hear like rustling noise, it's because I'm like putting all the stuff into a Fracka bag. Next, pair of jeans. So, first video, I love selling jeans. If this is not your first video, you guys aren't surprised by this, but since it was summertime, I've been selling jeans, not as much as, you know, colder months, but my pile has kind of started shrinking. So now it's not like a huge stack, it's a short stack. So I was like, okay, August is right around the corner when people start thinking about back to school and jeans and all that stuff. So I got quite a few jeans. So these I'm excited about. It's Pilgrim, the letterpress. They are the superscript, which in a size 29. So they have like these kind of cool pockets. But then they have like this crazy wide trouser distressed hem. So they're not quite bell bottoms, but they are high rise because that's what the superscript is, with cool pockets and like trouser like hems. So somebody is definitely going to want these awesomely unique jeans from Anthropology. Pilgrim and the letterpress, to be specific. I only got 2 pairs of shoes. I love selling shoes. Second to jeans because they don't fight back and because, you know, you don't really have to steam them or lint roll them usually. So I'll just do one of the shoes right now. One of them, Betsy Johnson. They are glittery. Oh, come on, camera, look at that. Shiny, shiny, Betsy Johnson. The jute rope on the side's like very clean. Like sometimes this part gets dirty, you know, but it's very clean. They're probably worn like maybe like once, twice. Great for a wedding. Silvery, sparkly. These, the Stilt Cigarette by Adriana Jeans. I have mentioned this before. And they're in really good condition, so I picked them up. This is turning to be bread and butter stuff for me because I'm like, I find it often in Connecticut, Adriana Jeans, and they are either marked like astronomically high or completely low. Like I believe this was actually marked like at $4.95, which kind of is unheard of because sometimes people see it and they mark it at like $20 and it's like, no, not $20. $4.95. All right, the next one is a silk top from Anthropology. One of the brands of Anthropology. All right, Anthropology. It's a faux silk wrap dress. Now I'm not zoomed. There we go. So it's like that part, it looks like a wrap shirt, but it's all completely like put together. Next, pair of jeans. These are 7 for All Mankind. I talk. 7 for All Mankind, the skinny. It actually says the skinny, so it's a skinny on the skinny. They're a light gray pant. They're really good condition. Skinny jeans definitely look in the crotch area and here, because sometimes there's like stretching when there's like super stretchy, and you can tell they were just like dry clean. They have like the, that's always a plus. Nice and clean. Can't complain about clean clothes, right? Let's do a purse. I don't usually find purses that I pick up all that often because they are either overpriced in my area for like decent purses or beat to crud, you know, like falling apart, even like well-made ones, you know, and then they're like priced right. So I don't usually get all these purses. I found a Marc by Marc Jacobs. Ooh. This will actually be easier for you to see. So it's a crossbody, a leather bag. Marc by Marc Jacobs, Marc Jacobs, Marc Jacobs, Marc Jacobs, Marc Jacobs, Marc Jacobs, Marc Jacobs. This was actually priced very, very reasonably. This was priced $8, but it was the color. So I was like, dude, I got like a really good purse for $4. Technically $6.31 per piece. Wait, that never happens. Not to me. Next one's Orbis. Orbis, I don't usually sell in Poshmark. It's more of an eBay brand for me, but look how cute. This is kind of like, if this was my size, I would still wear it. It's like embroidered. It almost looks like something that like Lucky brand would like, or like Free People or something like that. Not Orbis. Like this does not seem like Orbis to me. But it is, and it has like a little keyhole back. Style will sell something on Poshmark. It doesn't necessarily have to be this like crazy brand, you know, but style will sell. Next are a pair of Joe's jeans. I am picky about the Joe's jeans that I get. I have so many that I flip so quick, and then so many that in the past have like sat for a while. These are called the Easy Fit Best Friend, which is pretty much like a slim fit boyfriend jean. So it has like, it's like lightweight denim. It's not like that heavy thick, you know, Levi's denim kind of stuff. Distressed, supposed to be cuffed, so you can kind of wear it slouchy on the hips. It's definitely distressed. Yeah, I have only found this fit once, the Easy Fit Best Friend. That's how I know that it's a slim fit like boyfriend. And you can wear it uncuffed, like full length if you wanted. 2 jean styles with 1 pair of jeans. Another pair of jeans. Another pair of Adriana jeans. However, these sell so quickly for me out of all of the AGs. The absolute legging. Yes, so extreme skinny. And same thing, I looked in the crotch, I looked here, and I made sure it wasn't like pulling or like over elastic. And I could tell by like the back tag, they haven't been washed that often. You know, they feel very sturdy, and I've sold so many pairs of jeans, like you kind of get a feel for it, like how used something is. Next, Mother jeans. Mother, it just says Mother on the tag. The tags are always different colors in the back. Some of them are like metallic. This one had sparkles and leather to it. They have this like floral little print to it. In Mother jeans, on the inside pocket, will tell you exactly what they are. So these are Mother, the Looker ankle zip, My Lady Hot Hand. They always have some crazy name that like makes no sense. But yeah, there's little zippers on the ankle. Pretty cool. These retailed into $200. It was like $238, I think I saw. Moving right along. That's right. The Dojo gods have smiled upon me. They have that 7 on the back. It's like a chain, but it has like little rhinestones. And then it does say Dojo there. It's in gray, so it's a little harder to see. And then they have the wide trouser hem. And it's funny, when I was leaving the house today, and I was saying goodbye to Baby and Jay, I was like, may the Dojo gods smile upon me today. And I should just say that every day, every time I go sourcing, right? New pair of shoes, another pair of shoes. These were actually $2.50, which helped bring my price per piece down when I pay up something. These are Naughty Monkey. They're a like heavily embellished. They're very similar. They make styles close to like a regular Choice, like funky shoes like that. Yeah, so that was good. I think those are a size 8. I hope you're still here because I am saving those things for the end. My very exciting things. Yes. I did buy a sweater, even though it's still technically summer. Angel of the North, which is an Anthropology brand. This brand in Anthropology sweaters usually does very well for me. This one's a little not as like, they're usually like heavy stitching and like really, this is a little lighter. This was actually marked like $2.95, so I was like, I am going to buy a sweater in July. All right, let me show you another purse that I got. Dooney and Bourke. I was like, oh my goodness, like, and it's not like peeling or anything. I was so excited. I was like, oh my goodness, like it is real and it is clean. Like Dooney and Bourke. Yeah, and it wasn't marked up like astronomically. I guess the word would be flabbergasted. Yeah, flabbergasted would be the word. All right. Miss Me jeans. I have been selling these since I got into selling jeans. This was like one of my first pairs of jeans. I was like, ooh, what's that? It's pretty. Let's sell it. And then, yeah. These are a size 27 boot cut, but they are heavily embellished. And I was like, looking at them, the embellishments are good. The distressing is good. Somebody's definitely gonna want them. All right, where to go to next? Another pair of jeans. That's a lot of what's left. I have one more top left. These are DL 1961. I have mentioned this brand before. They are called the Emma Power Legging. They are like a camo with the knees blown out, like cut out. And they're like an ankle length. So yeah, even though it's still summer, I'm gonna list them. These are 7 for All Mankind skinny jeans, but they are one of their special prints. Like it doesn't say this skinny, but it is a skinny jean. They have like a special 7 for All Mankind tag on it. They do make specialty washes and stuff like that. And they usually don't have the squiggle when they have that specialty wash because it just kind of takes away from it. But they're like a flower. They're very stretchy. Nice, right? Flower jeans. Let's do a flower shirt. This is a Betsy Johnson. It has like little daisies. Betsy Johnson. I love Betsy Johnson. She's from Connecticut. Yeah. There's a little bit of information. It has like a ruffle. It has like this bustier. It's like kind of structured. Like it unhooks. There's like hook and eyes type thing. All the way up. Like I would not ever wear a shirt like this, but I know other people have the body for it, and come on, it's Betsy. Flowers, flowers. Yes. Okay, this one I'm going to show you next. Got me so excited. I was in the store and I had to text Jay. Yep, I said I just found Citizens of Humanity Rocket jeans. The Rocket is one of the most popular styles for Citizens of Humanity. It's Rocket high rise skinny. Yes, Rocket high rise skinny. They also make Rocket high rise skinny ankle. These are regular length, but they have distressing All right, we're getting there. Almost done. Next one. I usually am also picky with Citizens of Humanity, like what cut I pick up, just like Joe's jeans. But these ones were new with tags and 75% off. It was like the store I go to does like usually 3 colors. 2 of them are 50% off, 1's 75% off, but the 75% off is usually so hard to find. So Citizens of Humanity, and this is the high rise wide leg hunt and stretch. So it is a dark wash, but it's a high rise. It's new with tags and like the little sticker and the hut and wide leg dark. Yeah, cool. You know, new. And it has like that trouser bottom to it, the Hutton does. All right, next one is a 7 for All Mankind Guinevere. The Guinevere is a skinny jean. It is a skinny jean, a full-length skinny jean. It's not the skinny, and it has stretch to it, but it doesn't have like crazy jegging stretch to it. It's like a solid pair of stretch jeans, you know. So that's what the Guinevere is. It's a good medium wash with a squiggle pocket. That's what that's called, squiggle. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Wiggle, 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 squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. 3 more things that mean, 3 more things that means that 2 of them are the things that I've never found in the wild before. So last, before we get to those, Joe's jeans, the vintage 1979s. We got embroidery all over, and then embroidery and blown out pockets. So these are very boho. These are very great for festivals and everybody that would like those. Awesome, right? All right, drum roll, what we all been waiting for. I'm gonna mess up how I say this. First time finding it in the wild. It's a pair of skinny jeans. I believe it is La Zayans. I'm not even close. Probably La Zayans. However, these are the Andrea Zip Skinny. They retail for $249. Even used on Poshmark, they are going for easily $50 or more. And these are in fabulous condition and a pretty decent size. Check it out. I've never, ever found these in the wild before. Just because I can't pronounce it doesn't mean that the tag's not like stuck in my head and I haven't seen like bolos for it. And I actually do comps on jeans and I just say jeans and I search what's sold, and I love jeans, you know? So like that name's kind of been seared in my head, but I've never found it before. Last thing, super excited. This is a purse. You will see it. Dun, dun, dun. This is Brian Atwood Dubai Fringe Hobo Bag in fabulous condition. It has like this leatherette, almost, it's not glitter, it's just how the leather is, with fringe on the side. Amazing clean interior. Leather is, I looked this thing over like top and bottom. I'm like, there has to be something wrong with it. There has to be. If this thing didn't retail MSRP for $298, then I'd probably be keeping it. Yeah, I've never found this brand, and I have never found this type of condition bag. I was super excited. I'm going to try my best to photograph this as best as possible. Yeah, the Dubai fringe bag. I'm gonna be very tempted to keep it, but I'm not going to keep it. Okay, so that was my haul. That's everything I got today. You know, I got some really great brands. Some things were bread and butter, but other things I'm like still super excited about, you know. If you've liked this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you are new and you've stuck around this long, thank you. Also, think about subscribing to our channel. We put out Poshmark related content weekly. Other than that, take care, guys.